morning students. Today we start our first lesson, standard 6, lesson first. Okay, basic concept in geometry. See here, in this lesson we learn the basic concept in geometry. See here, lines, line segment, ray, these are the basic subjects in the geometry. Okay, we learn here. See here, first, our first point is point. What is mean by point? What is mean by point? See here, this is called as a point. Okay, see here, a point is shown by a tiny dot. Okay, here you know that we draw like this dot. Okay, this dot is called as a point. Okay, a tiny dot are known as point. Then see here, capital letters of the alphabet are used to name a point. See here, we name this capital letter. We name this point with our capital letters. Any capital letter you write here. Okay. See here, I write here A. Then read this point A. We say that point A. Point A. Okay. Then see here, another. Okay. Then we say point P. Point P. Okay. See here, understood what is mean by point? A tiny dot is called as a point. Then see next, line segment. What is mean by line segment? You know that, see here, line. This is called line. Okay. Then see here, A, B. See here, I draw here one line. See here. Then A and B means end point of this line. Okay. This line have a limits. See here, the line does not extend from here and also here. That's why we say that the line has limits, some limits. That limits are indicates with the help of alphabets. Okay, A and B. So this line does not extend it from this side and also from this side. These are called, A and B are called the end points or limits of this line. Therefore, this is called line segment, not a line. Okay, this is called line segments, and A and B are called the end point of the line. This line segment. Okay, and is written as segment A, B, like this. You read like segment AB and write like this, segment AB. Then also see here, next line segment PQ. Okay. Then write the name of this line segment like this. See here, segment PQ. Okay, segment PQ, and this is segment AB. This is called the line segment. See here, you does not call this is line because this is line segment, not a line. Okay, see here, end points are here. That's why this is line segment. Okay. Then next, next point is line. Line. See here, I draw here one line. this is a line. See here, arrowheads are in the ending. Okay, these arrows indicates that the line is extended from this side also and this side also. Okay, the line extends from this side and this also side. Okay, and this alphabets indicates the line name. Okay, X Y, line X Y or line L. You read like this, line X Y, or you read like also line L. Okay, see here, you write like this, line L or line XY, any one of them. Okay, see here, in line segment two end points are there but does not extend this line, but this line are extended from both sides. Okay, then next point is ray. What is mean by ray? A ray is a part of line. It starts at one point and goes forward continuously in the same direction. See here, a ray is a part of line. And it continuously goes in one direction. Okay, see here, this is called ray. Okay, P is called the starting point or origin of this ray, starting point or origin. And see here, ray is extended from one side. Okay, then we say that ray PQ, ray PQ. Okay, ray PQ. You don't say this ray QP because Q is not origin. Okay, first we take the origin of the ray and next extended side. Okay, then in writing we write ray PQ like this, does not write ray QP. Okay, then see here, next point is concurrent lines. Concurrent lines. What is mean by concurrent lines? See here, see in the textbook page number 2. Here definition are given for you. Okay, see, when two or more lines pass through the same point. Okay, when two or more lines pass through the same point, they are called concurrent lines. See here, I take one point P. Okay, then see here, this is line A, B and line C. Okay, here the line A, B, C are passes through this point P. Okay, then see here, what is mean by concurrent lines? When two or more lines passes through the same point, then that lines are called as a concurrent lines. Okay, see here, P is the common point. Through that point these three lines are passes. Okay, that's why these three lines are the concurrent lines. And at which point they passes, that point is called as concurrent point or point of concurrence. Point of concurrence. See here, I repeat again. When two or more lines passes through the common point, then that lines are called as the concurrent lines, and that common point are known as point of concurrence. Okay. Then next, collinear points. Collinear points. See in your textbook, page number 3. In bold, here given definitions. Okay. Read with me. Here, 3 or more points which lie on a single straight line are said to be collinear points. I repeat again, see, listen. 3 or more points which lie on a single straight line are said to be collinear points. See here, I draw here one line. That is point A, B and C. A, B, C points given here. Okay. Then see here, 3 or more points. 3 points or more points. You take also D. 3 or more points lie on a single straight line, same line. एक ही लाइन पर 3 or more than 3 there are single straight line. Points lie on a single straight line is called collinear points. Okay. एक ही लाइन पे 3 से ज्यादा अगर पॉइंट्स मार्क किए गए हो तो उन पॉइंट्स को क्या बोलते हैं? collinear points. Okay. And what is mean by non-collinear points? Non-collinear points. Non-collinear points. Points which do not lie on the same line are called non-collinear points. See opposite of this. The points are does not lie on the same line are called non-collinear points. And here X and here Y. See here on this line P and Q points are lie on the line, and X and Y point, see here X and Y points. Can these points lie on this line? No. That's why X and Y points are called non-collinear points. Okay? Non-collinear points. See here, 3 or more points lie in a single line or same line. That point are collinear points. And points do not lie on same line is called non-collinear points. Understood? Okay. See here next point. Plane. What is mean by plane? Plane. In mathematics, a flat surface is called plane. Okay? A flat surface. A flat surface is called plane. This is plane. And plane arrow indicates that the plane extended in 4 sides. Okay? Arrow indicates the plane extended in all directions. Okay? This is called plane. Plane extend infinitely in all direction. सभी डायरेक्शन में ये प्लेन एक्सटेंड हो सकता है. एक्सटेंड हो सकता है मतलब क्या होता है? ये बढ़ सकता है लाइक दिस. ओके, सी हियर. अगर हम हम बढ़ाना चाहे तो बढ़ सकता है, मतलब कि ऑल डायरेक्शन में एक्सटेंड हो सकता है प्लेन. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट पैरेलल लाइंस. Parallel lines. What is mean by parallel lines? See here, last of this page, the definition of parallel line is given here. Learn with me, okay? Read with me. See here, lines which lie in the same plane but do not intersect are said to be parallel to each other. See here, I repeat again. Lines which lie in the same plane but do not intersect are said to be parallel to each other. Okay, see here, line in a same plane but do not intersect. See here, these two lines, these two lines are intersecting? No. Okay, see here, these two lines are in same plane but do not intersect. That's why these two lines are called parallel lines. Like this, these two lines also, see here, these two lines also lie in a same plane but do not intersect each other. That's why these lines are called parallel lines. Okay, parallel lines. Opposite this, intersecting line. What is mean by intersecting lines? Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Okay? See, these lines are called intersecting. See, these two lines are intersect at one point. Okay, intersect at one point. That's why these two lines are called intersecting lines. See here, can these lines are intersecting line or parallel line? You say? Anyone say okay? Okay, see here, if we extend this line, see here, we extend this line and this line. See here, these two lines are intersecting at one point. Okay, see here, here we given like this, but see here, arrowhead indicates the lines are extended from here. Okay, that's why if you extend these lines, then see here, at one point these two lines are intersect. That's why these lines are called intersecting lines. Okay, see here, open page number 4. See here, some lines are given for you. You write here their names. Okay, see here, write the proper term intersecting lines or parallel lines in each of the empty boxes. See here, you write these lines intersecting or parallel. Okay, see here, first line, these two lines are intersecting at one point. Okay, that's why these lines are intersecting lines. Then second, these lines are not intersect to each other. That's why this line called parallel lines. Okay, and the third one, like this, these lines are intersect. If we extend these lines, extend these two lines, then they meet at one point. That's why these lines are intersecting lines. Okay, intersecting lines, not parallel lines. Okay, then see, practice set 1. Practice set 1 is given for you. See here, 1, 2, 3 and 4 example. 4 questions are given here. Okay, you first learn these definitions first. Okay, line, what is mean by line, what is mean by line segment, ray, parallel lines, intersecting lines, then concurrent point, what is mean by concurrent lines. First we learn the definitions of these all terms and then solve the practice set 1 in your notebook. Okay, then after in your workbook. First write in notebook.